Using Python requests are to send JSON Boolean. I've got a really simple question, but I can't figure it out how to do it. The problem I have is that I want to send the following payload using Python and requests. Doing it like this doesn't work, because I get the following error. Sending the true as a true is not accepted by my server, so that's not an option. Anyone a suggestion? Thanks.
Should be on true, capital T.
You need to JSON encode it to get it to a string.
To make it be lowercase like that, if that's what your endpoint requires, do in quotes on :true.
Starting from requests 2.4.2, instead of passing in the payload with the data parameter, you can use the JSON parameter like this. And the request will be formatted correctly as a JSON payload, i.e., on :true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.